Hi everyone, in this video, I'll be sharing my experience with the Microsoft Power BI, up and running with Power BI desktop course on Udemy. If you're looking to learn Power BI or take your data analysis skills to the next level, this course might be just what you need. Course objectives. This course is designed to help you get started with Power BI, Microsoft's powerful business intelligence and data visualization tool. By the end of the course, you'll have a solid understanding of Power BI Desktop and how to use it to create insightful visualizations and reports. Course content. The course is divided into several modules, each covering a different aspect of Power BI. Here's a brief overview of the topics covered. Getting started with Power BI Desktop. An introduction to the Power BI Desktop interface and how to connect to different data sources. Data modeling. How to create a data model in Power BI, including understanding relationships and creating calculated fields. Visualizations. Tips and tricks for creating engaging visualizations, including different types of charts and graphs, and how to make them interactive. Publishing to the web. How to publish your Power BI reports to the web, so you can share them with others and create a collaborative environment. Data analysis. Techniques for analyzing data in Power BI, including using DAX, data analysis expressions, to create calculated fields and measures. Tips and tricks. A collection of advanced tips and tricks to take your Power BI skills to the next level. Targeted audience. This course is suitable for anyone who wants to learn Power BI, regardless of their experience level. If you're a business analyst, data analyst, or just someone who wants to explore data and create meaningful visualizations, this course is for you. Required readings. While the course itself is a comprehensive guide to Power BI, it may be helpful to have a basic understanding of Excel and data analysis concepts. Additionally, you'll need to download the Power BI desktop application to complete the hands-on exercises. Overall impressions. I found this course to be an excellent introduction to Power BI. The instructor name, did a great job of explaining the concepts in a clear and concise manner. The course is packed with practical examples and hands-on exercises that help you apply what you learn. The course content is up to date and covers all the essential topics you need to know to get started with Power BI. The instructor's teaching style is engaging and easy to follow, making the learning experience enjoyable. Conclusion. If you're looking to get started with Power BI or want to take your data analysis skills to the next level, I highly recommend the Microsoft Power BI, up and running with Power BI desktop course. With its comprehensive content, hands-on exercises, and engaging teaching style, you'll be on your way to becoming a Power BI expert in no time. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this,